Nambi.
My name is Hibu.
I am here to learn about Unreal Engine.
And I'm here to learn more about Unreal Engine, and Siao is my instructor.
I am a game dev for Attribute Graphics and I specialize in Unreal Engine. Today I will be starting my journey of teaching. I have two students, Shibu and Jabu, who are interested in learning the engine, and it is a great opportunity for them to learn from someone who works in the engine. But I think it's also a great opportunity for me to, start learning how to teach the engine. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing today. So this is the object. It's based off how I made it move in the sequence. See this object that I've selected here? You see this green line? It's actually keyframe. So Unreal Engine is primarily a game development tool, right? That's what an engine is. That's what Unreal is specializing in, is primarily gaming production. You use it to make games by programming, creating materials, animations, and all that stuff.
So my current profession, something that I'm pursuing right now, is writing.
I am currently a photographer, videographer, editor, and soon-to-be graphic designer.
I'm currently writing an episode for a series.
Today it's purely introductory. My plan is to just get them into the engine, how to get into the engine, how to even download the engine. It's all just introduction today. How do you download Unreal Engine? How do you set it up? How do you open it? Because there's multiple steps to get into the engine. And once you are in the engine, what are you actually looking at, right? You have your screen, you have your viewport and all that stuff. Today I just want to give them the introduction to show them this is what this is named, this is what it does. You'll be using your sequencer to move objects around, move characters around, so if you want, let's say for example you don't want to use blueprints to move a character through space.
I think the main reason why I want to learn about Unreal would be because so far what I've researched is that it's probably like the next big thing in the film industry, and I would like to be able to make my own shorts or just anything that is like film related.
I want to learn about Unreal Engine mainly because I want to start building my own worlds. I want to think about sci-fi when I'm creating my short films. I want to think about green screen and compositing. I want to create my own backdrops, my own worlds, whether it's for music videos, documentaries, or even sci-fi films, which is something that I'm interested in.
Down the line, I want to teach them how to navigate the engine, how to create whatever they want to create in the engine. The two students I'm working with are film-based, they're not gaming-based. So my goal is to teach them enough of Unreal Engine that they can be able to make a production, whether it's a short clip, a short movie, a short film, whatever it is, and give them the tools to be able to do that, whether it's through sequencing, animations, camera work, lighting. That is my main goal for this, is to just give them the tools to be able to make films. Even with blueprints, there's a bit of a learning curve with blueprints.
So what do I hope to take from this experience is honestly just being able to navigate the software myself, be able to, build environments, just do whatever that I want.
What am I hoping to take away from this experience? A new skill, a new line of connections, because I'm meeting people that are so creative, so amazing, collaborations, and to have fun with Unreal and not feel intimidated by how intense the interface looks. It looks intense, y'all. You should look.
Unreal over the years has expanded way more to just games, and I think that's something that a lot of people need to understand, is that Unreal is much bigger than games now. Unreal is a tool that can be used to make games, film, TV adverts, you can use it for that, you can use it for special effects work, you can use it for a lot of stuff that has to do with virtual production, VR, games, movies, a lot of stuff. So I personally specialize in gaming. I make games, that's my primary thing, but I do dabble in like other stuff like animation work. I dabble in filming stuff, because I think just having a general overview of the engine is a good thing to have.
I feel comfortable with my instructor. I can ask him questions that I would mostly consider stupid questions if I was like maybe in a group, maybe in a class. So it's very comfortable for me to be able to just like ask questions, because it's right here and it's very friendly.
I think it's amazing. I love this space. I love seeing a lot of Black creatives come together and create content, learn together. And this is animation and gaming. So it's something that's completely untapped within the country that I live in. It's going to allow me to create worlds. It's going to allow me to create objects. It's going to just expand my worldview. And I would really love to take my work to the next level. I would love my edit to be a lot more dynamic, and I would like to find a way to include what AI is doing, learn how it's doing it, and then incorporate that into my work. And I feel like Unreal Engine is going to take me there.
Game dev in SA is a very young industry that is still in its baby steps. But everyone else in the world is not in their baby steps, and they're moving forward, and they're moving forward quick. So we have to play catch up while also trying to develop our own spine. So it is a fledgling industry that needs a lot of support that it doesn't have, but hopefully down the line we'll get it. It's a worrying trend though. I feel like if there's not support soon, it's an industry that can die as quickly as it started.